So guys, we are going to find out the sum of a series that is 1 plus 4 plus 10 plus 22 plus so on till 100 terms, right? So first of all, we are going to solve this series for the nth term, okay, for general terms. That is, okay, let's call out the sum of this series as Sn, okay. So that is 1 plus 4 plus 10 plus 22 plus so on, and the nth term, that is Tn, okay. Now we are going to shift each number of this series by 1 at right side. So that is Sn equal to 1 plus 4 plus 10 plus so on. So the second last term will be here Tn minus 1, right? And the last term will be Tn. So guys, notice the total terms here, okay? That is n plus 1, right? N for Sn, okay, for this one. And now as we shifted all the numbers by one place, okay, so the number of terms will be here n plus 1, right? Okay, now subtract the second Sn from the first Sn, right? So this will be 0, okay, this is 1, 4 minus 1, that is 3, plus 10 minus 4, that is 6, plus 22 minus 10, that is 12, right? So on. Now notice this one, this is Tn from the first Sn, right, minus Tn minus 1, okay, from the second Sn. So we can write it as in parenthesis minus Tn, that is the last term of second Sn. So let's take this Tn at left side, okay. So this is Tn equal to 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 12 so on dot dot, and the last two terms is Tn minus Tn minus 1, right? And now the total numbers of terms here n, right? As we took the last term, that is Tn at left side. So Tn equal to 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus so on plus Tn minus Tn minus 1, right? So now from here we can take 3 common out, right? Plus 3 into 1 plus 2 plus 4, that is we can write it as 2 square, right, plus so on plus Tn minus 1. So basically this term also will give you something of 2 power, right, whether it's 2 power k. So 1 plus 3 into, now guys look at these terms, they actually form a series that is called geometric progression, okay, where sum is Sn equal to a into r raised to the power n minus 1 over r minus 1. Here n is total number of terms, okay, total number of terms, and a is the first terms, okay, and r is the common ratio. So for this series common ratio, okay, that is 2 and a is 1, okay. So 1 plus 3 into, so there it is r raised to the power n minus 1. Basically a is 1, so we are not going to take it in, okay. So r raised to the power n minus 1, that is 2 raised to the power n minus 1. And notice here the total number of terms in this series, that is n minus 1, because we didn't take this 1, okay, in this series. So there was total n terms, so this will be definitely n minus 1 terms. So this is 2 raised to the power n minus 1, okay, minus 1 over 2 minus 1, okay. I write it in different color so that you can understand it well. So next line is 1 plus 3 into 2 raised to the power n minus 1 minus 1, right? So this is simply 1 plus 3 into 2 raised to the power n minus 1 minus 3. So that is 3 into 2 raised to the power n minus 1 minus 2, right? So Sn, the sum will be summation of Tn, right? That is sum of all the terms, T1 plus T2 plus so on plus Tn, right? That is the sum of a series. Basically, you have to add all the terms. So let's put the value of Tn. We obtain Sn equal to summation 3 into 2 raised to the power n minus 1 minus 2, okay. So we can separate them, summation 3 into 2 raised to the power n minus 1 minus summation 2, right. So this is constant, we can take it outside. So 3 summation 2 raised to the power n minus 1 minus, this is also constant, and the sum of all the terms will be here 1 plus 1 plus like this, okay, till n times, okay. So 3 into, this is, you can say, if you put the value of n equal to 1 to n, so that is simply 1 plus 2 square plus dot dot plus till n terms, okay, that is 2 raised to the power n minus 1 minus 2 into n, right. So 3 into, and this is also GP, right, in geometric progression, that is 2 raised to the power n minus 1, n minus 1 over 2 minus 1. Notice here this will not be n minus 1 because the total number of terms here is n, okay. So this is n minus 1 for, then here minus 2n. So 3 into 2 raised to the power n minus 1 minus 2n. So that is simply 3 into 2 raised to the power n minus 2n minus 3. And now if you will put the value of n equal to 100, then we will obtain our target sum. So that is 3 into 2 raised to the power 100 minus 2 into 100, okay, minus 3. So basically we can ignore these two terms, okay, because 2 raised to the power 100 is too big that we can neglect these two terms, okay. So that is 3 into 2 raised to the power 100, okay. So this is simply 3.77 something like this into 10 raised to the power 30. So we can write it in scientific way, that is 3.77 e plus 30. That is our answer. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and keep learning.